Question 22. There are only blue cubes, red cubes and yellow cubes in a box. The table shows the probability of taking at random a blue cube from the box, which we can see is 0.2. The number of red cubes in the box is the same as the number of yellow cubes in the box. Complete the table. So if the number of red cubes is the same as the number of yellow cubes, then the probability of picking either one of them must be the same. This question is checking that you know that the probabilities of any event add up to 1. So if you pick a cube from this box, it's either going to be blue, red or yellow. So the combined probabilities must add up to 1. I already know the blue probability is 0.2, so that leaves 0.8 of probability left. Reaching this point picks you up the first mark. Then, because the number of red cubes is the same as the number of yellow cubes, the probabilities must be the same. So they're both going to have to be 0.4. You don't have to write them in the table in order to get the second mark. There are 12 blue cubes in the box. Part B, work out the total number of cubes in the box. So we know that 12 cubes gives a probability of 0.2. Don't forget, we do know that probabilities have to add up to 1, and there are quite a few different ways of doing this, but probably the easiest way is to realise that 6 cubes would give a probability of 0.1 because it's half of 12. Then in order to get a probability of 1, I would need to multiply the 0.1 by 10, which means I'd need to multiply the number of cubes by 10. So there must be 60 cubes in total. The first mark was for starting the process with a good method, and the second mark was for getting the final answer.